In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickHouse. So this is actually an application for data analysis, and it's also the fastest analytical database for everything that you're thinking of. With this, you can unlock faster queries without skyrocketing costs. So in here, it's actually a very good application and it needs different installation depending on your operating system. Like for example, if you have Mac, you can either brew install ClickHouse or Docker method. You can also have in here this documentation on how to install it. We have in here this install locally option. And when you click on it, you can see this OSS Quick Start. You can download ClickHouse first using this. As you can see, it runs natively on Linux, FreeBSD, and macOS, and runs on Windows via WSL. So in here, we actually have in here this that actually helps determine your operating system is supported. You should be able to see the successfully downloaded option if you have it added. Now in here, you just need to start the server, start the client, create a table using that way. And in here, you can also insert data and query your new table using this. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So in here, you can also insert your own data via S3, GCs, web, local, and other options right here that you can see. So as you can see, there's a lot of options that we can utilize for this one as well. We also have in here the cloud for the quick start. And in here, you can choose sign up using your email via Google SSO as well as some other more options. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.